Hello guys, hope you are doing well. It's corn season and we are making corn and beans today, aka Adalu. And to my pot, I'm going to add palm oil, Then next I'm going to add my grated onion. Then stir that to combine for about 2 minutes. Then the next I'll be adding my pepper mix. It's a mixture of pepper, onion, and one seed of tomato. And the reason why I added tomato because I don't want it to be too peppery, okay? But you can skip the tomato part anyway. So yeah. So next I'm going to add my seasoning, salt, and crayfish. Then I'm going to go ahead to stir that as well, for a few minutes. Then the next thing I'll be adding my corn. So the corn is nicely boiled, okay? This is me just trying to eat it up before adding the beans. Then I also added the water I used to parboil the corn. Please don't discard the water. It also adds sweetness to your, to your adalu, okay, if that makes sense. They want to cover that for a few minutes to cook properly, okay. And while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead to, slice my plantain and, to my desired shape anyway. So when that is done, I'm going to go ahead to sprinkle some salt on it, and mix it together till it's combined, then set aside. Now for some minutes now the corn has been cooking. This is me trying to check if it's soft enough for me to add the beans, and it is, guys. This is me adding my beans, alright? And want to go ahead to stir that very well to combine. Just stir very well properly, okay? And when that is done, I'm going to cover that to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, okay? On a low heat, actually, not so high heat at this point. And yeah, our corn is ready. You can just serve it as it is, or you go ahead to fry the plantain just like I'm about to do. Okay, so this means fry my plantain. My oil is heated up already inside my pot, or should I call it a fry pan right now. So just ensure that it's nicely fried to your, consistencies you want. Okay, and this is the consistency I want. Alright, it's slightly brown, and I'm going to take that out, and that is it, guys, and serve. Enjoy. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thanks for watching.